I can feel one here that slid down. One of them slid down. The other one's right here. They never said you weren't ever gonna get your hands wet. There we go. Now all of them are out. Alright, I'll go ahead and wash these off with some water and be right back. Okay, instead of risking putting these in my sink and maybe losing a piece, I just got another Tupperware and just gonna cycle these through with my finger, sort of as a wash tub. And gonna take them out. I'm gonna go get the oil I'm gonna use for putting this back together. I'm pat drying these off, and let's go ahead and put it back together. First, get that hair out of the way. Okay. I'm gonna take a pin.